Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video has to do with Wing Chun power building. To give you some exercises to help develop your power and your accuracy training for your Wing Chun. This will greatly enhance your fighting capabilities. But before we start, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up to date with our latest videos. Thanks and have a great day.
Now, once you become strong enough, go up into a full body push-up, transfer all the weight onto the thumbs, and again, anywhere from 10 to 20 repetitions, down and up. Okay? From the angle, once again, make the thumbs, make the fist, the weight on the thumbs, head up, and then you want to do a full push-up repetition down and up. Digital thumb push-ups. The second exercise in the power building program for week 2 is the Yun Gurk. Yun Gurk, Yun is circle, Gurk is leg. So in Wing Chun, when you open the Silam Tao form, when we drop it, we chum and sing. These are Yun Gurk, Yun Gurk. These are sweeps. In Wing Chun, we sweep forward, out, back. We also sweep in. So you're practicing your sweep techniques. So the exercises are such as we bend our knees and we work our circular motion. These are Yun Gurks. So you come into the center, sweep back. Come into the center, sweep back. Another angle. Forward and back. Center, forward and back. Center, forward and back. With these, you want to do 5 sets of 20. So you can do a superset between the digital thumb push-ups and the Yun Gurk exercise. The next exercise we're going to do are the eye exercises. These drills should be done daily, once a day, if not twice a day. The first exercise we're going to do is the circle. Now, when you do this, the head stays straight and level. Okay, you extend your arm out at full length, one finger up on whatever finger you choose. Okay, and what we want to do is not move the eyes faster than the finger or the finger faster than the eyes. So we're going to circle. Circle left 20 times. And right. Okay, the next drill is up and down. Once again, 20 repetitions. And side, side. Diagonal. Side. Okay, warm up. If you find your eyes getting tired, a little sore, get the hands nice and warm, palms rubbed together, get them hot, and just gently place them over the eyes. Hold them there for about 3 breaths as you gently massage the eyes, and release. Okay, series 2 in the eye exercises, which is the warm up of the first series at this level. First one is coming straight in and straight out. Okay, this emulates a punch or a push, anything coming straight toward the face. Start at arm's distance, which we like to work at, and come all the way in as close as we can and out. Once again, repeat it 20 times. Side. Okay, next eye exercise, head straight. We're going to turn the eyes at a 45-degree angle, not moving the head as if simulating a cross, straight in at a 45-degree angle. 20 repetitions. Side. Okay, and the last drill we're going to do today is for the hook punch. So we dealt with a straight punch for a jab, 45 for the cross, and now for hook punches, whether you keep them tight or wide. Okay, the last exercise that we're going to do for the eyes is dealing with round punches or circular movements. So you're going to start at the nose and bring it all the way around to the temple, emulating the hook. So whether you want to keep it as a tight hook or a large hook. Now remember, the eyes follow the finger. Once again, 20 repetitions each side. The other side. Once again, if the eyes fatigue, just rub the hands together, get them nice and warm, palms to the eyes. The technique that we're going to focus on for this week is a half side step, hocks out punch. So, we'll take a half side step, hocks out to the ear, punch the body, and reset. So we never want to miss an opportunity to train our eyes. So since I don't have an opponent with me today, I'm going to step off. As I step off, I watch the pox out hand, watch the punch hand, and reset. Side step, pox out punch. When you feel comfortable with the motion, add in the roll punch. Side step, pox out punch, 3 roll punches. Reset. 2, reset. 3, reset. 4, reset. 5, reset. Side step, pox out to the ear, get to the body, and punch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Different angle. Side step, pox out the ear, and punch. Okay, lesson 2. Lesson 2, we're going to begin where we began lesson 1. So, lesson 1 we started with, this is going to follow through for the first month, is the slim down, opening the fist. So once again, as a review, heels together, feet at a 45-degree angle. Raise the arms up, half fist, full fist, thumb to the second digit, pull back. Sit down in your stance, this is called chung to sink. Hyungurk, circle leg 1, circle leg 2. Knees in, pelvis up, grab the ground with your toes. Down, up, half fist, full fist, trading fist, pull back. Left hand into center, punch, circle, half fist, full fist, pull back. Right fist, punch, circle, half fist, full fist, pull back. Slim down, opening the fist. Let's take another angle. Side view. Open, half fist, full fist, pull back. Sit down, open left, open right. Knees in, elbows up. Grab the ground with your toes, clench your abdominals. Down, up, half fist, full fist, back. Left hand in, punch, circle, grab and pull back. Right fist in, punch, circle, grab and pull back, and close. Once again, this exercise should be done in 15 minutes every day. Focus on developing the punch in the tricep, developing the ripping from the fist and forming a proper fist so you can hit without breaking the fist. You really want to train the horse stance. So once again, the knees are in, the pelvis is up, we have the ground for your toes, which will strengthen and tense your abdominals.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.